know, some have some words for you. You say, you look, boy, some nice, boy, I'm gonna tell you, you know, some nice liver will do good with you in the morning or selfish, you know. I don't like how you just hang out all day, you know, all night. You just hang out all day, all night. Just hang out. More time must come in at the house, you know. Come on the table and peel off yourself and jump in at the pot. You see me? You just hang out like you know, no care in a life. You see me banana tree? You know for go on someone, you know, you must so selfish. Hey, sugar cane, don't not go on it. But soon over here say I try to hide from me, you know. I don't know big yet, you know. But me cutting her down, sure. Right now, Jamaica, me in the garden, you know. Oh, avocado, look avocado from the tree. Me in the garden. Me say Jamaica nice. So the island nut them, the sugar cane and banana tree and planting. See, I got all the planting down there, so man. You see, I left me there, my Vitamix blender. At the yard, this, you know, imagine the bush. Then they plant up the place. You tell them, man. When I must quit the job and start farming. You talk to the planting tree, I will come and I like how them are. Oh, look there. Lemongrass. Boy, Rondie, boy. Lemongrass. Yo. Hey, planting tree. What's going on, bro? See you living good, huh? You living good? Are you organic? Yeah? 100% organic, right? Okay, all right. Give me 5. Yeah, that's all we do. Oh, we see another planting tree here. Oh, yes. Oh, look, a planting tree. Yeah. What's going on? Y'all good? Y'all happy family? Huh? Y'all watch television together? I see how you living. It's beautiful. You're a beautiful plant tree. Oh, sugarcane. Look at you, little sugarcane. Oh, there's another banana tree over there. Sugarcane looking nice and easy. This is Denny yard movement, the garden. He has some nice flowers here. More sugar cane. Denny around the place, man. We have a sweet sop tree. No, soursop tree. Look a sauce. Oh, see, look a soursop, man. Yeah. Oh, this is a butterfly. Hey there, butterfly. Hey, butter. Look at a beautiful butterfly there. This is Denny's world, Denny's garden. Beautiful black and yellow butterfly. Everything, the bees, them and the butterfly, them love Denny. Them just an easy planting tree, banana tree, and this is the house. You should see the garden. You should see the farm. This is just the house. And then they are big time in Jamaica. These people should win an award. Here's a butterfly. That's so man. Well gone, butterfly. Yes, butterfly. Yes. Send it to my daughter. So beautiful. You know, life is in the simplest form, closest to nature with flowers, is just so much more powerful than fancy, expensive stuff. This is look at that flowers over there. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, another plant. Wow. There's Denny. Denny's working. See him working on his garden. There he is. Don't disturb him. He's pretty busy. So Denny take care of the yard nicely, you know? Yeah, man. This is a cherry tree. When we were little, a cherry tree, I tell you, I know, life. Then we went to America, and I've been in America for 31 years. I came back here, probably more often than any of the family members. You know, when you're in America, you could be in a mindset where sometimes you forget where you're from if you don't go back often, or things that needs to be done where you're from. America mindset, you keep spending there, and you only have 2 weeks to spend in Jamaica. You know, it's a tough life in America. I gotta say this. It's really tough. Spending a long time here kind of changes your psyche a little bit. It takes more than 2 weeks to change your psyche, and I'm thankful for that. Sometimes the pear them just fall off the tree, like right now. We're not for pick pear, you know. We just go under the tree, go pick up a pear. You see me? We pick up, and that one you're ripe too. You see? So I go. We can eat this with the Buddha right off of the ground. We have a knife and thing. I go cut him. So I sit down for my chair and you know what I'm saying, flip up my knife. So I hope this video has been a good memory, good vibe for you. Subscribe, share it on Facebook. Share the love to your friend them on Facebook of all the videos that I do. Just share them on Facebook. That's how you can help me to get the positivity about Jamaica out. Just keep sharing them on Facebook, because the Babylon world, we have to try to limit the world and try to get people to get back in the natural things. You see me? Everything in life is a program, you know. Look there. And we have to create the program that we want to see. And we want to see life and positivity. Because the positivity is out there. They might also talk about the negativity about Jamaica. I don't believe in constantly dwelling on negative things. The news, you hardly hear them in the news talk about, oh, here's the positive news today. Every damn thing, who dead, who get shot, who get robbed, what happened bad in a parliament. Them not talk nothing good, hardly. Oh, good news today. Some farmers planted some big yams, and life is great in Jamaica. No, you're not. See that? That's the good news for the day. Rondie found a pear. Good news. Oh, them not put this on TV in a HD 4K just like this. Good news today. Rondie find a piece of pear and him cut it and share it all over the world. Oh, this organic pear. Yes, and then him eat it. A good news that. So later, focus on the good. Don't make them focus on the bad. Focus on the good, yeah. Later. Till next time.